welcome to the vlog, another video. It's me, Sunny. Oh man, it's been a while. Got a new video for you guys today. Don't know what I'm gonna get into today. Probably gonna head to the gym real quick, get something to eat, bring you guys along with me. Here with Nadia, got her started up, ready to hit the road. We out here today. Out here today in these streets. Do a quick pull. Should I do a quick pull? Damn, I'm almost at 80,000 miles. 80,000 miles on the M3, guys, almost. Oh, we got a little. I need to get a GoPro so I can start doing some POV videos. Passing by the Mercedes dealership. Too bad it's not Beamers in there. Looking lovely outside. Let me hit a downshift. Woo, I love doing that. People probably think I'm annoying, but I don't care. Checking out White Plains. Hey, hello. All right, you too. Thank you. Thank you. You too. I'm kind of hungry, so I'm gonna stop by Iron Tomato, get something to eat real quick. Here in White Plains, I remember when they were building those two buildings over there. Iron Tomato, oh great, there's parking right in front of Iron Tomato, so that's perfect. I could park right in front, get something to eat. All right, so we made it to Iron Tomato. Make sure we got a good parking spot. Yeah, we got a good parking spot. Here in Iron Tomato, I'm gonna get some breakfast. All right, let's get some breakfast today. Alright, so this is what I got. Bacon, egg, and cheese from Iron Tomato. Got my car, Nadia, posted up. Here's what I got. Tristan better not hit my car, though. Okay. It's bacon, egg, and cheese right here. Yay. I went to eat at this place called Blockheads not too long ago. They have it right over here. It's not bad. Kind of remind me of Chipotle, but it's all right. Blockheads. Beautiful Sunday today in White Plains, New York. Haitian flag here in White Plains posted up. Oh, so dope. Got the Haitian flag. Yesterday was Haitian Flag Day, so I think it's cool. The city, the White Plains, they posted up the Haitian flag. You probably see it behind me. Hold up. There we go. So guys, I'm still figuring out this whole YouTube thing, what type of content you guys want to see. For the most part, I've just been vlogging about my car, but I also want to add in some of like the entrepreneurial stuff that I like to do. So thinking about starting Amazon FBA so that I can raise some money to put a down payment on a rental property. And then once that rental property is rented out, I plan on using the rental income from that property as car payments towards maybe like a Lamborghini or maybe an F80. So that's the plan. And if it's a Lamborghini, it's more likely to be like a first generation Lamborghini. But actually I probably need like 3 or 4 rental properties before I could start thinking about getting a Lamborghini. But if I can get this next rental property, I'll probably use the income from that as payments, car payments on a new BMW. So that's the plan. So I'm gonna start getting ready, set up with Amazon FBA, and yeah. So I think it'll be cool. Let you guys kind of into my world and how I plan to make money. I think we all need like a side income, you know. So yeah, this should be cool. All right, guys. So for Nadia, the M3, I'm thinking about wrapping the car, but I'm not sure what color to wrap it. I was thinking maybe like a Nardo gray or maybe a satin pearl white. So I'm gonna need you guys' help in deciding what color to wrap the car. So drop a comment below, let me know what color you think I should wrap the car. I want to change the color for this summer. And also I gotta do some maintenance stuff on the car. I want to get the rod bearings done this summer as well.
The next day.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. It's me, Sonny, and today got a little bit of a dilemma. It looks like the shield panel under my car cracked. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I put some tape under it. I'm not sure what exactly happened, but I ordered the parts on ECS Tuning. So I'm gonna, as soon as they get in, I'm gonna take it over to my mechanic, have them fix it real quick. So yeah, it should be a quick fix, nothing too crazy.
Tomorrow.
All right, guys, so here we are. Looks like the under panel splash guard piece that I ordered from ECS Tuning came in the mail, and I got the OEM piece. So let's go ahead and open it up, check it out. Let's have a look. Here it is. This is an OEM piece right here. Don't know how my old one cracked, but it was getting annoying having it drag against the concrete. But I'm so glad that I got this one. Can't wait to put it on to quickly fix that broken piece in the car. Let's check. All right, front bumper splash guard here. Gonna head over to the mechanic to have him put them in now. As you can see, it is terrible. That tape is not gonna hold for long, but hopefully it can get me to the mechanic shop. Raining today. Hopefully the rain stops. Got my front bumper splash guard for the under panel. Alright, so heading on my way there now. Rainy morning. As you can see, still wet out. Alright, I'm almost at the shop now. Some of you guys might remember this shop from when I got my throttle actuators replaced. Good shop over here, they do good work. So I'm gonna pull over here and have them install this splash panel in the front bumper. Here we are. All right, so I'm dropping the car off. Gonna leave it here, hopefully pick it up later on at the end of the day.
6 2.5 hours later.
Alright, so just leaving work. I got a call from my mechanic saying the car is ready to pick up. So I'm going down there now to pick the car up. So yeah, I'm gonna pick up the car now. Oh, there it is. Let's check it out. It looks like it's been, yeah, it looks much better now. Let's check out the bottom. Much better. All right, so let's go inside and pay.
Everybody asks, I don't know why. Let's show the other. That's the other guy.
All right, so we're just gonna pay right here. Wait for them to come back. All right, so the car is fixed. New pieces on. The rain is starting to fall, so let's head out. Let's see, make sure that no cars are coming before I head out. All right. So glad that I got that shield panel fixed because it was annoying driving and hearing it scrape against the floor and also going on bumps. So definitely glad I got that fixed. Oh, it's too late, can't get the light. Yeah, man, I'm excited. Got the car back. It's fixed now. All right, so let's have a look at the car. Let's check that piece that we got replaced. Much better. Now it's not dragging along the floor. I gotta get a lip for the car. But yeah, don't have that piece anymore dragging along on the floor. Definitely glad I got that taken care of. And yep, car is looking good. Well guys, guess I'm gonna end the vlog here. Appreciate you guys taking the time to watch the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, also hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.